Hi, my name is Paul and I'm a librarian with the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access the genealogical services and research tools available online from CLP. To begin, from our home page, carnegielibrary.org, click Research, located in the toolbar near the top of the screen. This will take you to our research pages. There are two ways to access genealogical materials at Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. The first is the Genealogy Portal, located in the Featured Research Resources box. Here, you will find information on our genealogy services, as well as quick links to resources such as Ancestry.com. Here you will also find a link to lists of Allegheny County birth and death records held by the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. The link for placing a research request is also found on this page. First, let's look at the birth and death record lists. When browsing the lists of Allegheny County birth and death records, please note that the availability of records depends on the time period and the location of the records. The Allegheny County category also includes smaller communities that wouldn't or couldn't keep their own records. This means we have information for these communities, but it will be sporadic. Remember, these are just lists of our holdings. To request a record search, please use the appropriate forms included on this page. Let's click back and we'll take a look at the research request page. The research request page contains a list for available city directories, marriage notices, naturalizations, obituaries, and Pittsburgh newspaper articles. Forms and instructions for placing the various types of requests are also found on this page. The other way to access resources is to use the Find Resources box. First, we will click Research to navigate back to the research pages. The Find Resources box is located below the Featured Research Resources. Here's how to see a list of all of our genealogy databases. First, click on the drop-down menu for subjects and change the selection to Genealogy. Leave the age group set to all ages and leave the keyword box blank. Now click the Find button. The resources are presented in alphabetical order. To access a database, just click its title. Access restrictions can be found under the title. For example, Fold 3 has no restrictions, so it is accessible remotely by anyone. Resources like Ancestry or Genealogy Connect are accessible by CLP card holders only. This means a card number issued by a CLP library. If you are unsure, they all begin with 11812. This concludes our quick guide to accessing genealogical resources online from Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. If you have any questions about searching the databases or are having trouble gaining access, please feel free to give us a call at 412-622-3114, email us at info@carnegielibrary.org, or to start up a chat with us from our website at carnegielibrary.org. Have a great day and happy reading.